Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well in this pandemic. Today I am Divya Sheth. We'll talk about company annual filing. Since we are in filing season, we thought of giving you a little update on applicability and forms. Every company registered in India must file its returns with concerned ROC every year. Here, every company includes private limited company, one-person company, Section 8 company. So, the annual returns includes conducting of annual general meeting and filing applicable forms with concerned ROC. Generally, companies need to conduct AGM within 6 months from the end of financial year, which is 30th September. In case of first AGM, companies can conduct its AGM within 18 months from the date of incorporation or 9 months from the end of financial year, which is earlier. Now, forms. Company annual filing includes 4 different forms to be filed with concerned registrar of companies. 1. ADD 1, 2. AOC 4, 3. MGT 7 and 4. DIR 3 KYC. ADD 1 is filed for appointment of auditor. The due date of the same is 15 days from the conclusion of AGM. AOC 4 is filed for financials of the company. It includes auditor report, balance sheet, profit and loss account, director's report and MGT 9. The due date of the same is 30 days from the date of AGM. MGT 7 form contains the details of directors, members, shareholders and the changes thereof. The due date of the form is 60 days from the date of AGM. DIR 3 KYC is filed for the qualification of DIN of the directors. Every director has to file the form who has received or got the DIN in previous financial year. The due date of the form is 30 days from the end of every financial year. Apart from this, companies are required to file ITR, that is income tax returns, on yearly basis. We have a different video on Company Fresh Start Scheme 2020. You can go to our page and check it out. That's all about company annual filing. Hope this will help you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified. This is Divya Sheth signing off.